Welcome to this short presentation on the TCoP model. Let's get started. What is the TCoP model? According to authors Curry and Buckner's 2012 article, A Practical Guide for Integrating Technology into Social Studies Instruction, the TCoP model was initially described as the use of technology as teacher-based or student-based. TCoP is also known as technology, community, and personalization. The conceptual model gets used by teachers and educators to best understand how technology is getting used in teaching applications. The technology element represents the hardware and software that support learning. The community component here deals with the social interaction between teachers, students, and educators, and is essential for building a support network to share learned experiences, strategic ideas, and results. And the personalization element accepts that both teachers and students vary in experience, comfort level, and are diverse in background. In other words, we all come from different places, and that the technology needs to be implemented in personalized ways to optimize learning outcomes. Now you may be wondering who started this concept. Authors Curry and Buckner are credited with describing and evolving this framework in 2012. It came from studies and research done using prior models like the PIC-RAT model, which also can be used by teachers in a practical sense. And over time, through discussion and synthesis, we now have TCoP, an ongoing focus on how technology can be used for effective learning. Essentially, it's a two-stage model that starts with the teacher and two pretty important questions. Who is using the technology and how exactly are they using it? The answer to the first question is either the teacher or the student. The answer to the second question is either consuming technology or producing artifacts with the technology. Here's a diagram that explains. At its base level, teachers use technology and then elevate to produce their own resources. The highest, top level, shows students as producers, creating resources in an active way relative to their learning goals. Differing a little bit from others, the TCoP framework focuses on teachers and students creating, geared to make learning deeper with the connection to the technology. The research done for this presentation found that in regards to AI being used in higher education, there is a growing wave of applications and tools that can improve it. That is, of course, as long as universities and colleges can get to use them. In higher education, the community element of the TCoP model is about best practices and the many needed discussions about ethical use in teaching and the continuous exploration of how AI will be beneficial and safe. A great deal more will need to happen between the conversations of developers of AI, the researchers, teachers, and leadership across the college landscape. Thoughtful planning and effective evaluation of the technology will need to be discussed and experienced. Because AI is able to handle an incredible amount of information, students can be given fast feedback and customized pathways to the individual's needs and preferences. Using smart adaptive approaches can support education and students' individualized needs. Using framework like this one will make students ready for a futuristic work environment filled with technology. Thanks for watching.